NPP candidate for Shillong Lok Sabha seat Ampareen Lyngdoh today said that MP elections are not easy to assess and nobody can guarantee any win for anybody regardless of the post-poll jubilations by a few political groups. Lyngdoh said win or lose, the government will gain from her candidature as she has traversed the nooks and crannies of the 36 constituencies under the Shillong parliamentary seat and that she is well informed about what needs to be done and where.
Either ways, win or lose, government will benefit from my candidature. I have been to every nook and corner of one Shillong parliamentary seat. I now know what government has to do. I have gone there in person. Fourth thing, if you say that Meghalaya has not progressed, then you are seriously joking. Because I have gone to 36 constituencies, minus mine, 35. The progress is very, very clear. We have better roads, we have better health facilities, the employment generation and opportunities across the 36 constituencies is very good. And I have seen that housing facilities for people has improved substantially.
Minister